Hello, fellow enthusiasts of meaningful connections and affection. Welcome back, relationship. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the art of compliments. 19 compliments ignite a woman's interest. Compliments have the power to create sparks and deepen connections, but there's an art to it. Before we delve into these captivating compliments, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our enlightening content. Let's explore the compliments that can make her genuinely obsessed with you. Are you ready to discover the compliments that can set the stage for a meaningful connection and ignite a woman's interest? Let's explore these compliments, carefully crafted, leave a lasting impression. Compliment 1: Genuine appreciation. Expressing genuine appreciation for her qualities, actions, or presence can create connection. Make sure your compliments are sincere. Compliment 2: Recognizing her intelligence. Acknowledge her intelligence and the depth of her thoughts. Celebrate her intellect can be incredibly attractive. Compliment 3: Noticing her strengths. Compliment her strengths and abilities. Recognizing what she excels, her feel valued and respected. Compliment 4: Her sense of humor. If she has a great sense of humor, let her know. Complimenting her wit and laughter can create a fun and light-hearted connection. Compliment 5: Her confidence. Boost her confidence by acknowledging her self-assuredness. Her confidence can be incredible. Compliment 6: Her kindness. Celebrate her kindness and compassion. Compliments that recognize nature can deepen your connection. Compliment 7: Her creativity. If she's creative, compliment her imagination and artistic talents. Conversations and a shared appreciation for the arts. Compliment 8: Her ambition. Acknowledge her ambition and drive. Compliments about her goal can show your support and admiration. Compliment 9: Her style. Compliment her style and fashion choices. This shows that you pay attention to the details and find her unique. Compliment 10: Her unique perspective. Celebrate her unique perspective on life and the world. Compliments you value her individuality can be captivating. Compliment 11: Her generosity. Compliments about her generosity and willingness to help others can highlight her admirable qualities. Compliment 12: Her thoughtfulness. Acknowledge her thoughtfulness and attention to detail. Compliment considerate nature can make her feel cherished. Compliment 13: Her communication skill. Compliment her communication skills and ability to connect with others can foster a deeper understanding between you. Compliment 14: Her adventurous spirit. If she's adventurous, celebrate her willingness to explore and try new things. Compliments about her adventurous spirit can. Compliment 15: Her resilience. Acknowledge her resilience and ability to overcome challenges. About her strength can be incredible. Compliment 16: Her patience. Compliment her patience and ability to stay calm in difficult situations. Shows that you value her inner peace. Compliment 17: Her positivity. Celebrate her positive outlook on life. Compliments about infuse your connection with warmth and joy. Compliment 18: Her wisdom. If she's wise beyond her years, let her know. Compliments about her wisdom can create intriguing and meaningful. Compliment 19: Her presence. Lastly, compliment her presence, how she makes you feel when you're together. Expressing the impact she has on your life can be deeply romantic. By using these compliments with sincerity and thoughtfulness, you can create a genuine connection and ignite her interest. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the art of compliments and connection building. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might appreciate these insights. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. If you have thoughts or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more enlightening insights, and until next time, may you use the power of compliments to create meaningful connections that leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. See